What's the meaning of concupiscence? Concupiscence. Concupiscence.
Concupiscence. Concupiscence. Concupiscence refers to an intense desire or craving, particularly for something that is considered morally or sexually improper. This term is often associated with religious or moral contexts and is used to describe the struggle to resist temptation. When a person gives in to concupiscence, it can lead to feelings of guilt or shame, and can also result in negative consequences such as broken relationships or damage to one's reputation. Ultimately, succumbing to concupiscence can have significant and lasting impacts on both an individual's personal life and their broader community.